Good day! Today we're going to practice in this video the sound of ch. Repeat after me. Ch, 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 ch. In chair. Again, chair. Chain. Again, chain. Cherry. Again, cherry. Chips. Again, chips. Chop. Again, chop. Chin. Again, chin. Chosen. Again, chosen. Check. Again, check. Cheaper. Again, cheaper. What other words have initial sound ch? Very good. Ch. In exchange. Again, exchange. Achieve. Again, achieve. Marching. Again, marching. Teacher. Again, teacher. Bachelor. Again, bachelor. Purchase. Again, purchase. Kitchen. Again, kitchen. Sandwiches. Again, sandwiches. Branches. Again, branches. What other words have middle sound ch? Ch. In much. Again, much. Catch. Again, catch. Watch. Again, watch. Switch. Again, switch. Which. Again, which. Lunch. Again, lunch. Bunch. Again, bunch. Branch. Again, branch. Coach. Again, coach. Beach. Again, beach. What other words have final sound ch? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Exchange watch. Again, exchange watch. Chosen purchase. Again, chosen purchase. Bunch of chips. Again, bunch of chips. Chocolate and cherries. Again, chocolate and cherries. Itchy cheeks. Again, itchy cheeks. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? The bird on the big branch is chirping. Again, the bird on the big branch is chirping. Let's play catch at the beach. Again, let's play catch at the beach. I need to scratch the itch on my cheek. Again, I need to scratch the itch on my cheek. I crunch a bunch of chips for lunch. Again, I crunch a bunch of chips for lunch. Chelsea likes chili, cherries, and chocolates. Again, Chelsea likes cherries, and chocolates. In this video, we just practice a sound ch. Repeat after me. Ch, ch, ch. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.